In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GoHighLevel when it won't load or isn't working in your browser. By the end, you'll have a clear checklist to get things running smoothly again. First, start with your internet connection. Even a quick hiccup can stop a page from loading. Try opening a couple of other websites to confirm your connection is stable. If those pages are slow or failing, reset your Wi-Fi or switch to a different network before you continue. Next, refresh the page. Click the refresh button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on Mac. This forces the browser to request the latest version of the page, which often resolves minor loading glitches. If that doesn't help, try a different browser. Open GoHighLevel in Chrome, Firefox or Edge. Browsers handle sites slightly differently, so switching can quickly reveal whether the issue is browser specific. If the problem persists, clear your browser cache and cookies. Head to your browser settings, clear cached images, files and cookies, then reload the site. This removes outdated data that might be conflicting with the site. Keep in mind, this may sign you out of some websites. Now, open an incognito or private window and try accessing GoHighLevel again. Private mode runs without your stored cache or most extensions, which helps isolate whether something local is interfering. Speaking of extensions, temporarily disable them, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPNs. Then reload the page. Extensions can block scripts or resources the platform needs to load correctly. Before you spend more time troubleshooting, check GoHighLevel's status page to see if there's an outage or maintenance. If you're accessing GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. If the platform is experiencing an issue, you'll know to wait rather than keep changing settings on your end. If everything looks fine, restart your device. A simple reboot clears background processes and resets network components that might be stuck. Also, check your network restrictions. Firewalls, corporate networks, school filters, or certain security settings can block access. If you're on a managed network, contact your administrator or test from a different network or hotspot to rule this out. Finally, if the issue continues, reach out to GoHighLevel support. Share what you've tried, the browser and device you're using, any error messages, and approximately when the issue started. That context helps them pinpoint the cause faster. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into GoHighLevel without a hitch.